How to fix Canva. Something went wrong on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick on Android phone. First thing, go to Play Store and type here Canva and click on it, and then scroll down until you find here. Just check if there's any update for your Canva and then just update it, and if that doesn't fix it, go to settings, apps, and then apps again, and here type Canva and click on it, and now click for stop and clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it, now you need to clear data. Click on it and click OK, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.